Hey guys, good morning. We are at the National Strip Till Conference, and it looks like it's going to be a good day.
It does. We have a few main sessions, some breakout sessions. We are here to try to learn how we can serve everyone else better. You know, strip tilling is something that we're relatively new to, so we got to figure out how we be better for everybody else.
Yeah, look at all the sponsors here at the event. Got some well-named brands, and of course, the well-named brand Ready is here. So
That's right.
That's what matters. Cool. Thank you. Now we gotta go find a seat. All right, there's a lot here to see, and there's gonna be some good speakers too, I think. I noticed a lot of them are farmers, growers, users.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Hey, Matt. How you doing? Gerald
Good.
Brookings. So.
Yeah. Well,
Good to see you.
good to see you.
man.
All right, so we just got done with the first couple main presentations, and now I'm going to a breakout session. So we'll see if I can find it. What'd you think of that, Ryan? Well, I just went into a planting green meeting, roundtable.
Roundtable, yep.
I don't even know what that meant. But Ryan actually introduced himself to me this morning. He saw us on Minnesota Millennial Farmer.
Yep.
And so you knew who we were even before I knew who you were.
Well, the hat and shirt gave it away.
Yeah, and the red hair and all that. So it was really cool to listen to the farmers where they're talking about cover crops.
How to manage cover crops, whether it's no-till, strip-till, or in corn and soybeans usually. Yeah, just trying to figure out, it's the latest and greatest thing.
Right.
We're just trying to figure out how do you manage this? It's still all about the ROI and everything.
Right.
We want to care about soil health, everything else, but you still got to pay the bills.
We're doing drill rebuilds.
Yep.
And I understand you use a John Deere drill.
Yep. So we have a 20-foot 1590 that works great, but I want to get across more acres. We're selling that. We bought a 40-foot 1990 air seeder, and just that's the investment we're making to just get more covers on more acres in a faster amount of time.
Yeah.
And more accurately, hopefully. But that's just an investment we're willing to make. We want, I think the writing is on the wall, not to get political or anything else, but cover crops are probably here to stay.
Do farmers like cover crops?
There has to be, you need a purpose. I think in anything you do, you need a purpose to why you do it. I think for us, it was, some of just the water infiltration, soil things we're seeing. And where we are in Wisconsin, white mold, maybe you guys up in the Dakotas, white mold is a thing as well. In soybeans, white mold can take 50 bushel an acre away from me. I can have 80 bushel beans down to 30 bushel beans. So you start doing numbers and dollars here, you start talking air seeders and drill, and if I can reduce or eliminate, this is a game changer. And we've tried fungicides. We're trying all these other treatments, things that are out there, and it's like, all right, we're hearing positive things about cereal rye. Let's get into this first. There's not let's try this. Let's see what we're finding out, and we are seeing some positive results from this right now. It's kind of cool talking to there because we have a guy from Georgia, from all over the board.
Very, very good to just hear what people are saying, and they're asking good questions. We had a lady in there who was like, "How do you get it in your corn? We've tried flyover, and it didn't work, and so we're thinking about, well, how do we help?" Maybe retrofit sprayers.
Yep.
Could you pull the tank out? We obviously can do the hosing and manifolds and drop it in the corn. Yep. I've been asked about that before, and just nobody's ever written me a check and said, make it happen.
Exactly. Yeah. There's a lot of great ideas, but there is financial. Commitment to a lot of this stuff. Nothing's free.
That's what was nice to be hearing and understanding is, what needs to be done and how do you do it and should I even try and. Well, thanks, Ryan.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice to meet you, and hopefully we'll be in touch.
Yeah, we'll be in touch.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We are headed to the Cross manufacturing facility. Before we depart, everybody has pants and closed-toed shoes on, right?
morning we get to visit the Claas manufacturing facility, probably more of an assembly. They said they do a third of the parts imported, but the rest must come from domestic, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, check this out. This is gonna be a fun tour. We've heard really good things about it, and I had to go incognito, you know, pretend like I'm a farmer so I could get in. What do you think, Nick and Scott? Hopefully I represent well. All right, let's check it out. Unfortunately, they do not let cameras in, so I'll get to see it, but I'll just have to tell you about it later. Check this thing out. It's like a factory on wheels. A harvesting factory. Oh, nice. Watch your fingers. All right. Better get in line, get my vest on, get the safety equipment on. Yeah, well, look at you.
I'm ready to go. Look at this. Look at this.
I lost track of you for a while.
Look at this. Ready to go.
You're safe.
I'm safe.
Where's your bump cap?
Oh, I don't have the bump cap.
We should have brought one.
Should have. It's just
On
unlabeled.
behalf of Klaus,
Nice.
we'd like to welcome you and honor you with this award.
For the safety.
We'd like to welcome Red E to Klaus Factory, and we'd like to thank you for coming today.
All right.
We didn't even know we signed up for it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and you get to see what the Strip Till Conference is like. And maybe you guys will come next year. Check it out. I'd recommend it. All right, take care, God bless. Out.